Hey, it's Ty. Welcome back to Snows Outside. Today I'm just going to be going over these SunF. You can see the SunF all-terrain tires that I just got for the mini bike. It's a Coleman CT100U. I'm going to be going over just tips and tricks on how to get these tires on, and yeah, let's get into it. So the reason why I got new tires is because this rear tire, I did drifting and stuff. This thing got completely bald, so we just figured we needed new tires. Got these SunF Power 2s on Amazon for like $44. Great price, and they're very nice tires. You can see very thick tread. We also did get some tire spoons so you could get the old tire off and the new tire on. And the rear tire actually ended up taking about 1.5 hours because it was the first one you did. We weren't very experienced. Thanks to my dad for helping me put this on. Yeah, the hardest part with installing these was just getting the tire onto the bead, because these tires are so stiff because they're like 6-ply that getting onto the bead is nearly impossible, just a tire pump. What I did is I took out the valve core and I just put around 90 psi of pressure directly into there with the air compressor, and it just popped right onto the bead. Very easy. Yeah, the front one did go much faster because we knew all the techniques. And also just adding a little soap inside of here while putting the bead, like getting the bead in. Also just putting it on the tire in general helps a lot because it can slide. These surfaces can slide across each other. And with the tire performance, I really like them. It's nearly impossible to drift with these tires because they're so knobby. And I did notice that it is already getting slightly round on the edge. I think that's because the edge is just really sharp, so it's probably normal. I do ride this on asphalt, so might be also why. And if you're wondering, these are the 145/70 6-inch rim tires, just so you know. They're pretty common size, and yeah, overall they're just very nice tires. They shipped in around like 4 days, I'm pretty sure. They came in a little wrap, very nicely package. Well, it's not even in a package, it was just like wraps, like ties around it. But yeah, overall very nice tires. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.